So, the first run out for the Beaufort this year, and I encounter 5 instances of questionable behaviour on the road in a very short journey. This lady in the Peugeot is going straight over the island, but is one of those people that indicates right when they're going straight over an island. Very strange. And then she stops for absolutely no reason on the entrance to the island. Just a bit further up the hill, and a cyclist who's crossing the road looks like he's actually going to cross right in front of me, but decides not to at the last minute. Then a driver pulls out of a side road in front of me. It's closer than it looks. I did actually have to slow down to avoid getting really close to him. Then he speeds off. Finally, the white car in front of me decides to overtake 2 parked vans, even though there is a car coming the opposite direction that has priority. Then decides to back up. I can't back up because there's a car right behind me. In the end, the oncoming driver has to give way to the white car. The basic standard of driving these days is just atrocious.